The VANGUARD Vesta TT aluminum tabletop tripod with smartphone holder. Why is this unique? I've not experienced a small compact tripod for smartphones that is actually durable and sturdy. This thing is substantial. It's not a plasticky, light featherweight. This thing has substance to it. And I think just even the way these pull out, it makes it more stable. So here's the legs. They come out like that. You've got the ball. You've got a ball and socket here that you can unlock and rotate around. That's super well built and feels strong. And then you've got your phone holder, which is going to adjust to any phone that you have. This is, without a doubt, the sturdiest tripod, like compact tripod for a phone I've ever used. I think this is going to be a game changer for a lot of people. Give this a shot. I think you're gonna like it.